It is Patewo braid hairstyle o'clock. Yes. So there is this new trending hairstyle transformation right now that they call Patewo braid hairstyle. So I know it is a beautiful and mind-blowing hairstyle, and it is one of the trending hairstyle. That's why I decided to bring it to you guys. Wow, before I forget, let me quickly introduce myself to my besties that are just coming to know me, or should I say coming across my video for the first time. Hi guys, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel. My name is Favor and you're welcome to my channel. So in this particular channel we do more of hairstyle video, beauty transformation, and so many other interesting video. Please hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. To my OGs, people that already know me, people that have been coming across my video, thank you guys so much. So in this particular video we'll be talking about this trending hairstyle that they call Patewo braid hairstyle. As you can see, they will braid it as if it is a ponytail braid hairstyle, but no, it's not a ponytail braid hairstyle, and they have different ways of making this particular Patewo braid hairstyle for it to look beautiful and came out so nice. I think where the work actually lies in this particular hairstyle transformation is the packing aspect of it. Yes, the way they wrap it at the back. Some people will just do a big twist, like section it into two and twist it, then sew it, whereas some people will pack it step by step the way this particular hairstylist is doing her own right now. Some people will just like wrap up their own like that and it will still come out beautiful. Wow, this is mind-blowing. I don't know how all these hairstylists were able to like come out with different hairstyle transformation that they bring out day by day. Wow, that means they are very hardworking and all that. So guys, do well to check out other videos in this channel. I have videos ranging from Fulani braid hairstyle, natural twist hairstyle, cocoa twist, name it. Any of the stylish and trending braid hairstyle that you could think of, I have the braid hairstyle in this channel. So do well to check it out. And again, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, that is give it a like, and turn on your bell notification too to get notified whenever I post a video, because we literally post video back to back every day. I like keeping you guys updates on what is happening in the hairstyle world and in the fashion world. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.